See, that's the city down, and here's the mountain. We're going up there.
Đâu rồi?
Không có rác không được đâu. Dương thay đi, không có rác không đeo đâu.
We're from there down and up here. This is Orchid's Garden, Vunlan. See, you can see many orchids, variety of orchids. Excuse me. Xin lỗi. To view the fancy pan, we need to go up here. There. Onso, can you hold this and video me? Move back. Thank you for watching. Slowly, slowly. Thank you. Ayan. May mga sapot-sapot.
Ay, kung gusto ko doon. Dito ah.
Yeah, may magpapapicture po, nakabayan.
Yan, yan. Upo ako dyan. Upo ako. Tatayin mo lang ako.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Po ka?
Malumot eh.
Diyos ko naman. Ano ba naman yan, lumot na yan? Yan. And 1, 2, 3.
Kaya. Nababasa ng pants.
Ah.
Thank you. So doon lang daw tayo sa taas.
Para makita ang view. So here is the view. The 360 view. There's the city. We were there a while ago down there. See? Tayo galing doon. There's the church. There.
Yeah.
That's the center of Sapa.
No, this one is the fancy pan.
Hello, my friend.
Where are you guys from?
Here is
Philippines?
Philippines also?
Yeah.
Right on.
I'll show you the
What's going
map.
on?
I have maps here.
We connect later for
Yeah,
our
yeah.
vlog. Are you a
Yeah, yeah.
YouTuber also?
Yeah, just starting one.
Oh.
I've got to give you a card.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, you have a vlog?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's my friend also.
He's the other vlog too.
Yeah,
right
he's a
on.
blogger also.
Right on.
Where are you from?
The U.S.
US. Where in
Right.
US? Which states?
Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Minneapolis. Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Yeah.
So have you been around Asia?
So in the past, I've been to China, Japan,
Okay.
Korea, and this trip I've been to the Philippines.
Mm-hmm. That's
Came
good.
here, and now I'm going back to the Philippines, then going to Palawan.
Ah, that's cool.
Yeah.
It's nice. So you just go around Asia?
Yeah, I'm just doing 45 days.
Ah,
Yeah.
holiday or
Holiday.
cool?
Yeah.
So what,
Escape.
what's your work?
I produce events for corporations.
Ah, that's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice. It's cool.
Yeah. So have a little time
Tayo
off.
pupunta.
Oh, the cupola is in view.
Yes.
Did you go to this hotel yet?
No,
It's,
just passing by.
Yeah. So go inside. You want to go inside? It's kind of an Art Deco, 1920s French
Ah, okay.
architecture. It's very beautiful.
So you've been there.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long you be here in Vietnam?
So for 10 days.
10 days.
Yeah, I was in Hanoi, came here, then I'm going to Halong Bay,
Okay.
and then to Dalat, then back to Manila, and then Palawan. Yeah, this is me.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Global Ghost TV.
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice.
sticker.
Thank you. So we have here souvenir for our new friend. Shout out to Global Ghost TV.
Launching this spring.
Oh, launching this spring.
Yeah, after this trip.
Here's the guy behind it.
Frank Friend, nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
will promote also your channel in
Yes.
my YouTube.
fantastic. Thank you.
It's cool.
Here's my card.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
Personal
you
information.
just
another one here.
behind.
So you're Frank Fruit.
Friend.
So that's
Pronounced
Friend.
Pronounced friend.
Friend.
Yeah, like and like pal.
Oh, so this is not like French like Edmund
It'd be
Fruit.
German.
Oh, okay. It's nice. There it is. Our new friend all the way from US.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Okay.
Sweaty friend.
We're going down.
we go up again.
Up where?
Down and then up.
Go after the Heaven Guys number
Oh.
1, Heaven Guys number 2, and going to up the top the mountain.
So are we going to heaven?
Yeah. Heaven
Okay.
Guys.
Ten.
Be careful with the step, eh? It's
Yes,
very
slippery, slippery. Limestones are slippery.
It's not very slippery. Careful.
Go, Fonso. Be careful, it's slippery.
Hey,
Slowly.
ra đây.
Ingay naman ni Kuya. So as you can see, the pathway are all limestones.
Where's your friend?
Where is our friend? You check your dad?
He went all the way down.
I think they went that way backwards. Ah, so we're supposed to be here and going up there.
Not here.
On the other side.
Other side higher.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we go here and then I will find them.
Okay. They're there.
Yeah, I see.
So we go up here or this way?
Go up here.
So here are all limestones with moss. Bonso! So here there's a lot of tourists who usually go here. So we are with a group of people in a tour because we don't usually know the different place around here, even though we have been here for like this is my second time. My friend Happy Teacher TV, this is his third time I think.